Hello, my name is Stacy Braiuca. I am a productivity coach with 25 years experience, hired by women over 40 who are paralyzed by their to-do lists, their 1 million idea insomnia, and time-balanced tightropes. So I help them liberate more time for their relationships, self-care, by automating tasks, reframing frustrations into fun and challenges and solutions, and managing anxiety with self-care. As an active captain of their own ships, they participate in crafting their own futures by doing homework alongside an accountability coach who is their loyal navigator through the rough waters. Will you join me on the Liberation Cruise?